Welcome to our channel. Today, we are learning how to play Hey, That's My Fish! The chilly world of penguin adventure. In this fun and strategic game, 2 to 4 players compete to collect the most fish and become the ultimate ice flow champion. Let's dive into the icy action. To set up, shuffle the ice flow tiles and arrange them into 8 rows in a square pattern. Each row alternates between having 7 and 8 tiles. Now, choose your penguin color and take your penguins. Based on the number of players, each player takes a certain number of penguins. Okay, it's time to set your penguins on the ice floes. Start with the youngest player and go clockwise. Place your penguins on floes with just 1 fish. Continue until all your penguins are out on the ice. We're ready to play. Your turn consists of 2 steps. Moving 1 penguin and collecting an ice flow tile. You'll move 1 penguin in a straight line. They can't change direction during the move, and you can't jump over other penguins or gaps. When your penguin moves, it collects the ice flow that it just moved from. So, make sure your penguin lands on a juicy ice flow. You will be able to collect it in your next turn. A player must move one of his penguins each turn. If he cannot, his penguins have collected all the fish they can and he does not take any more turns. He then removes his penguins from the game board and adds the ice flows they occupied to his collection. Play continues in this manner until no penguins have any more legal moves and all penguins have been removed from the game board. Then it's time to see who's the fishiest player. Count the fish on your ice flows. The one with the most fish wins. Easy, no? Hey, That's My Fish! Is one of our favorite games to recommend to families with young children, as it is just so charming but also challenging enough for brains big and small. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.